Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. This is not going to be a really long video, but I am preparing this part of my chill out day. So I'm preparing. I told you this would keep the desk safe. Look at the mess on there. I don't really care. It's on this mat. So I'm preparing preparing these nails. That's the ones with the black with the green over it. Absolutely great shift on that. And then I have the burgundy one again with the green over it. Also gives a really pretty shift in the color. Show you that. Gives good kind of a another really nice look. So basically the pattern on this one is basic for what I'm going to do for the darker nail, and then for this I'm also going to give it a nice wintry vibe. Is it Shalo? Anyway, she owns Crystal Magic, so this is 2 of the sets of nails that I have set up to do. Okay, so when I do these, like, let me show you some. Y'all, I started running out of white. So I did order a brand. It was pretty inexpensive too. So I ordered a brand of white. Well, not the Maniology or the She Modern. Right now, that's not in my budget. I wish it was. But I was testing on this one. I put the green over it all. And it's okay, but you can only really see the print at a particular angle. So you have to angle it a specific way. So I didn't really like that. I like how I came up with it this way, is to put the green over it, over the black, and then do the stamping. So trying to save my sticky base coat and my, I know I'm running out of that. This is your smudge-free top coat. Remember to use your smudge-free top coat, or it'll look all like, what the hell happened? Some of this on this side, it did smudge right there because I had went ahead and put the green over it before. I was like, shit, dang it. And yeah, so remember to use your smudge-free top coat. I have the Maniology. I love She Modern. I love Maniology. I just can't afford a lot right now. So what I have right here, except for that one stamping polish coming in, I won't be purchasing any more stamping polishes for a while until it's in my budget. Be very economically sound in hard times, and make do with what you got, because a lot of us are making do with what we got. And quite honestly, I'm just trying to let my money sit still. It has to sit still right now, except for when it comes down to my son's birthday, which is the 14th. Other than that, I know what I had wanted for myself, which is dropping tomorrow. Because tomorrow's Friday, right? Anyway, so on Friday, the 8th, actually, Jeffree Star is coming out with the Night Owl collection. I only wanted the palette, but that's okay. That was going to be one of my birthday gifts to myself. So, but you know what? I'm not mad at it. If it's sold out, it's sold out. The one came off its thing. So anyway, so I'm just going to have a good time doing nails. Whatever makes me happy makes me happy. That's the thing. If I'm happy doing what I love with what I got, I'm cool with that. Because even though life is too short for a lot of things, you got to make yourself happy with what you got. That is so true. always make yourself happy with what you have. Even though I would like to have that collection, or at least the palette. Y'all, I've got some Jeffree Star right here. That's one of the bags that came full of makeup. I got that for like when I could afford it earlier this year. I got that, I think it was like $80, something like that. Wait, no, might have been less. Anyway, plus I have the gold-blooded palette, I have the Jawbreaker palette, and I have the Gothic Beach palette. I got some of the lip bees. Oh, that palette sitting on top of those is, oh my God. Why did I just brain fart? Flex Beauty. And then I got all my Cursed Cosmetics up here. Cursed Cosmetics and a little bit of Gerard on that shelf. Mostly Cursed. Anyway, so just wanted to show you what I'm doing for chill out today. And I might do some knitting later. I'll give you an update on what the knitting looks like so far later on. But anyway, yeah, this is my chill out. Just getting the table ready for Saturday. Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I gotta do a new set of nails after I'm done with everybody else's Christmas nails. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I know the finger thing. Red room. Red room.